Hey everyone, this is Steve Soder coming at you from Salt Lake City, home of the now confirmed #1 grocery panic buyers in the nation, and I have the data to support it. I'm coming at you with Workiva, and we're talking about how do we prepare for the next time this happens. Cross our fingers that it doesn't, but if it were, how could we get ready? And what I would say is that the first thing to do is assess what went wrong this time and start from there. You know, in particular, if you have financial transformation efforts that were underway, really take a look at those processes and systems that broke first. Because again, if this happens another time, those are going to be the areas that we're going to want to address immediately. You know, if it were me, I would probably start by looking at my close and reporting checklists and timelines and focus on those areas that not only broke first, but what are the areas of highest risk? Even if it didn't break this time, if it were to break the following time, what could that mean for us? And as you do that, I would give thought to data accessibility, the ability for your team to collaborate, and then third, the ability to continue to have an effective control environment under those circumstances. Because generally what happens sometimes is that if you increase the ability for people to collaborate, that can have a decreasing impact on your controls. And what you're going to want to be sure is that that control environment doesn't get jeopardized as we start to decentralize some of the things that we do on a monthly basis for accounting and financial reporting. I would say last, if you don't currently have a financial transformation effort underway right now, you've probably been violently shoved in that direction. And this is a terrific opportunity to start to go down that path and see how you could prepare for this with, hopefully it doesn't happen again, but how you could prepare for it just in case it does. Thanks, guys. Good luck.